Eldrigo Namaskara. So guys, I hope you are safe and doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to discuss about very important NEBOSH update. Recently, NEBOSH have launched one new scholarship. The name of this particular scholarship is Michael Adamson NEBOSH Diploma Scholarship 2021. So we are going to discuss each and everything about this scholarship, and as well as I mentioned in the thumbnail, you are going to get NEBOSH Diploma in free. So it doesn't mean that NEBOSH is going to give the certificates to us in free, but instead of that, they are going to give scholarship to two individuals. One is from UK, one is from any other international country. So what is the process, how we can participate, and other information about this particular scholarship, everything we will discuss in this video. So without wasting any single second, let's start this amazing video. So first of all, you can see here, I'll just show you what about that particular scholarship. Yeah, this particular scholarship date is actually, it was released on 5th May, and the last date to fill the application form of this particular NEBOSH Michael Adamson scholarship is 25th May of this month. Okay, so if you're interested, you can fill that. In the next video, maybe probably I'll tell you how to fill the form of that. So let's directly get some more information about this particular scholarship. All right, so this information you can get on NEBOSH website also. If you want to read that, you can visit to NEBOSH website and get. So here you can clearly see that Michael Adamson NEBOSH Diploma Scholarship 2021. Now one thing that you need to see here is, see, recently they have changed the NEBOSH diploma qualification. So as I told you initially in the last video, the name of this particular diploma is NEBOSH Diploma for Occupational Health and Safety Management Professionals. So in the upcoming time, you will be seeing one new video on our channel which will tell you about this particular new qualification. Till now I haven't made any videos, but let's see what happens in the future. Okay, all right. So here the definition you can see here, Michael Adamson NEBOSH Diploma Scholarship 2021. So first of all, you will be having a question, actually, who is Michael Adamson? So Michael Adamson is one person who in 2005 whose wife has died actually in one of the preventable accident. Okay, so to avoid these sort of injuries, they have just initiated this particular scholarship. Okay, everything is given. If you want to study Michael's story, so you can see here Michael's story is given here. So if you want to read that Michael's story, you can read that. Now, as I told you initially, under that scholarship, some criteria is that you need to fulfill, and that criteria will be judged by a committee or a panel, which is like done by NEBOSH. Okay, 5 persons are there, a panel of 5 persons. Under that also Michael's sister is also there. I think her name is Lois Adamson. Okay, so they will evaluate each and everything, whatever the minimum criteria is, they will evaluate each and everything. If you are fitting that, maybe you can get this particular scholarship. Now under this scholarship, 2 persons will be selected. One is from UK, one is from any other country. So both will be given the scholarship to study NEBOSH diploma and assessment of NEBOSH diploma. Okay, now, so the minimum requirement to get this particular scholarship is you should have NEBOSH International Journal certificate. Why? Because there, if you are directly coming to get that scholarship, if you get also, means there will be very low chances, because IDEP, NDEP is a very high level qualification. So that's why they have asked for a NEBOSH National or International Journal certificate you should have. Okay, so you can see there how to apply. They have already given 5 p.m. on 25th May is the last time and date to apply for this particular scholarship. This is the panel actually who is going to evaluate your credentials and whatever the requirements is there. This is the panel which is going to select also the persons. So now I'll just show you one thing. Okay, all right. So if you are interested, guys, means you can fill this form. Maybe you can get this opportunity. Okay, so here is the document. If you want to study the document also, you can study everything about that they have given here. See here, important dates like 4th May, the particular application was started for filling form. 25 is the last date. 8th June judging will take place. Whatever the applications they will get, they will judge that and find the winner. 10th, the winner will be notified. On 10th June, they will notify the winner. Yeah, you actually have won the scholarship, and now you will get whatever the prize that was given. On 22, public announcement will be done of these 2 winners who got the scholarship, and before 1st October, they need to select whether and when they need to study that particular NEBOSH International Diploma. So these are the key dates, and this full document, guys, it is available. If you want to study that, please go through and study. All over the panel they have given the information, how they are going to select, what are the questions they will ask, each and everything they have given. Okay, so this about that particular qualification. Okay, so let's discuss something more. So here you can see here about Michael. His sister is doing a lot of works. Okay, she's one of the like important member under that panel also, which is going to like judge the peoples, those who have applied for this particular scholarship. All right, so guys, this was the full explanation of this video. I hope you understood that, and very soon, if you are interested, kindly drop a comment over there so I can know that whether I should make a video, dedicated video to how to fill the form of that, how to fill the application form of that particular scholarship. If you are interested in, kindly let me know through a comment box. So if you have any doubt also, you can put them in the comment box or through any social media handle. I will answer you as soon as possible. So this was the end of this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video, and subscribe to HS Academy, because these type of amazing videos you will be getting in the near future. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.